Okay, so we'll be seeing how to install Node.js when you already downloaded it from the official website. If you downloaded Node.js from the official website, you have a folder on your computer and you will see this Node.js exit. You just double click on it. Okay, the user setup will launch. On the user setup, the first screen is just a presentation of the logo and a bit of description of what the setup will be doing. Just click on next. Now he's asking to accept the license. Basically, the license is a contract that you are signing with the Node.js Foundation, and those are some rules you need to be aware of. You can go through the license if you want, but as you can see, it's really long. So what you usually do is just click the I accept the terms in the license, and click on next. Here's the folder where Node.js will be installing. You can leave it. Okay, now he's asking what we want to select, what we want to install. You can see we have different options. The first one is the Node.js runtime, which is like the core of the Node.js itself. You have the npm packages, which is the Node package manager for Node.js for us to be able to download and manage packages, JavaScript packages. Online documentation shortcuts and add to path. Path is the environment variable so that you will be able to just launch Node.js from a terminal or a command prompt. So what I'm doing is just try to expand this and you will see that what will be added to the path is the Node.js and npm and also the npm modules. So here we don't really need to change something. On the right side, you'll be able to see that the different features require a certain amount of space on your computer. So you need to make sure that you have that amount of space. After you just click on next. Now he's asking if the tools for native modules, if it should automatically install the necessary tools like Chocolatry. Chocolatry is basically mm, if you are coming from a Linux background, you'll know apt and other application package manager to download and install software. In the Windows ecosystem, Node.js brings what we call Chocolatry and helps you download software and also manage them. With that, you'll be able to install another to manage, for example, Node.js version or other softwares that support Chocolatry. So it's optional as you can see. For me, I will just leave it. I will not touch it. I just click on next and now install. I think you will need administrative privileges and just click on yes. And now you just need to wait a little bit while not just being installed on your machine. And on it's done installing, you'll be able to run it. Okay, it's copying some files. Okay, now it's saying that Node.js has been successfully installed and we can finish. And yeah, that's how you can install Node.js on your Windows operating system. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.